You're watching Rise and Shine Southern Idaho.
All right, 10 till 7, you're watching Rise and Shine. The dynamic duo is back in action. What's up, guys?
Woo, yeah.
Owen and Arnell. It's been a while. You guys kind of took the summer off a little bit there. You were going every other week. She was Owen, Arnell, Owen. So now you're back. We're back in business here. I'm excited. So glad to have you both in the studio. You brought a keyboard here.
Well, the topic is the Windows 8 preview.
So it's not out yet? Windows 8 is not out?
No, it'll be late 2012 is the target.
2011 or 2012?
12.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
so about a year.
On last Tuesday, they released what's called the developers preview.
The beta or whatever?
It's even pre-beta.
Oh, really? Okay.
But it's a chance for developers to take a look at it and start getting their act together for the two different UIs that we have now. Like with Windows 7, you've got your desktop UI.
Right.
With Windows 8, you're going to have two. There's going to be the Metro UI.
It dresses well and it puts product in its hair, right?
Yeah,
no.
I think it's a fail, but...
Really?
Yeah. Well, what they do is they're going to expect you to touch your screen and to type. Arnell has a slide here that'll show you that. Actually type on your screen. They want one OS to fit the phone, to fit the tablet, and to fit the desktop PC. Interesting. And the laptop and so forth.
Okay, so go ahead. Let us know.
And what I did is I installed it on my computer, but I didn't want to install it as a primary operating system. So you can get something called VirtualBox. Okay. And this lets you install an OS in an OS, basically. Okay. And you're going to need to download an image, which is really simple. And it's the same install as you would see in Windows 7. Okay. But afterwards, you're going to get to a screen like this, and I was stopped. I was like, what do I do here now?
That's your Metro UI.
This is your Metro UI. And I was like...
So what's a UI for everybody
User
watching?
interface.
Okay.
Yeah. So this thing kind of...
Yeah, this is like your icons to get to stuff. This
yeah.
Is, right? Home, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, so you want your Internet Explorer, you'll hit the one in the upper left.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I don't know what most of those other things are. I mean, you know, Twitter, stocks.
There's basically just apps.
Okay.
So they're kind of configuring so there's a bunch of apps on there.
Yeah.
Now the other thing that kind of set me off is after I did a reboot on it, it gave me this, and I didn't know how to log in. Right. But you had to basically click on it and drag it up, kind of like an iPhone when you open it up.
Oh,
so that was kind of weird for me too. I was like, what is this?
Yeah, all right.
And then this is what Owen was talking about. You have an on-board keyboard as well that you can go ahead and type in, or you can technically use your keyboard as well if you want.
Oh, really? Okay.
They're pushing it towards tablet-based OS.
Okay.
So,
yeah, that would be a weird angle to type, because you'd have to type up against the screen, right? And it would just create a weird angle.
Exactly. But the good thing is you can still get into the regular desktop that you see in Windows 7.
Okay.
So it's not completely new. It's just you have to go to it and so forth.
Gotcha.
And this Windows 7 interface is actually just an app.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's not the operating system like it used to be. And when I was messing with it, I didn't care for it. And I'm going, you know, what's the matter with a regular good old keyboard?
Exactly.
I mean, this was made by Microsoft.
Exactly.
You know. And I'm sorry.
Is this gonna happen?
I'm not going to toss it because I like my keyboard.
All right. Nice keyboard.
Yeah.
Pet it like a kitty. So, okay, so here's a question. Is it a bad design, or is it just the idea of the change? Is the change too dramatic, in your opinion?
Well, I'll tell you, I read a little deal on the internet about this, and the guy had a good point. He says it's like Microsoft taking a really, really radical left turn to make sure it goes off the cliff. Yeah. Because if you get rid of that desktop experience, then Linux is going to instantly be your desktop operating system of choice. Gotcha. And Windows is going to lose it. I think it's a bad choice. Yeah. If there was an on-off button, that'd be cool, but you got to hunt and fight to find that desktop interface.
It was really weird finding things because they're not where they're at. So I was like, wow, this is going to be tough for people that don't know how to
Although for geeks, the task manager is really cool. Yeah. And the new Windows File Explorer is really cool. You use it to ribbon, like in Word 7 and 10, and that's really cool. Yeah. Because all those hidden things that Explorer had are all exposed now.
So 2 thumbs down is what you're saying, so far at least, right?
So
There's still
far.
about a year to get that together.
This is still pre-beta though.
So they could eventually turn it around and make it a decent thing. So anyways, so there you go. All right, guys, thanks so much. Hey, if you have any questions when it comes to computers or anything technical, KRRS Systems, ask for Olin or Arnell. At 6:55, we're back with one last check of your 7-day forecast. Before 7, don't go anywhere. Nice keyboard.